Shirt with Cookie's face on it. Dead ass, I need that. It's okay. Nails. For real. Like something with nails. It's Party Girl and Hank and Henry, yes. Cookie her face. Just like on the middle of a shirt. I do always say bitch. Thicker than a Snicker. Why does everybody keep saying, are these fucking somebody's straws? No, these are just a fucking metal straw that Red Rose Lashes sent me. They're by nobody. They're just a damn metal straw. Fudgicles. A shirt that says period. Good morning. It's morning for you? Oh yeah, okay. You guys have good ideas. Yes, I love metal straws. I always use them. Always. Sir. My kids are with their dad right now, so yeah. Metal straw in a plastic cup. Well, Ivan got these cups. But yeah, I get what you're saying. No, I don't know if my code with Live Glam works, but no, I'm not affiliate, or I'm not supporting the brand anymore. Rihanna. Hello from Shauna. Hi Shauna, how you doing? Yes, I'm still affiliated with Morphe. Code Bianca for 10% off. I don't understand. It's Bianca, bitch. That's cute. That would be cute. I should sell wigs, girl. I don't even wear wigs. The house. I do sometimes, but like, I really like Gar's wigs, but they're actual human hair and they're expensive as a motherfucker. I'm doing good. I'm not really doing anything right now. You inspire me. Yay, Amber. Yes, I did collab with them. Fuck. I'm reading comments. I'm like, I don't want to go live with anybody. That's why. You just ordered Pika Pika? I want some of the sour punch straws. Those are bomb. Those are my fave. Hi, Caitlin. Oh. Bitch, my sleeping schedule is so fucked up. There's just a lot, you guys, that... I just gotta make sure I don't get, like... Yeah. Love your brushes. Thank you. You answered my message on Snapchat. Pika Pika needs to ship to Canada. Sweet Tart Mini Chewies. Ooh, those ones are good. Have you been looking for houses, girl? Yeah, I have. Oh, it's almost your 3. My 3-year-old's birthday's coming up too, but she's gonna be 4. Yeah, I still wear my lipsticks with them. But I don't, like, I'm not gonna, like, post it and, like, tag them and stuff, you know? They were bomb lipsticks. I'm still, like, I still love my lipsticks that I did with them, but... I know I need a YouTube video. I'm just trying to be professional, you know? I did a collab with Doe Color, I did a collab with Live Glam, and I did a collab with Morphe. And I got some stuff coming soon. I can't wink. Tried watermelon vodka today. In one shot, gave me heartburn. Girl, my kids are 3, 5, and 10. Me or her? Towels. Towels, girl. Moving on to bigger and better things. Somebody said, hi, Christian. Oh my God, really? What happened? Can we get a hint? I wonder when it's coming out. Let me tell you guys. Let me see. I'll give you guys... Let me see what my manager said. Because it did get pushed back a little bit because of the coronavirus. Oh, good thing I have a manager because, bitch, I don't know how the fuck to read this shit. I'm gonna be here for another month, you guys. You should do another brush set. Really? I love Morphe, yes. They're a really good brand. Like, really. Your nails are long. Thank you. My least like YouTuber? I don't know. I don't really not like anyone. Honestly, I like everyone. I don't watch a lot of YouTube anymore, but like, when I do, honestly, when I watch YouTube, I watch Kendall Rae, and she does like murder mysteries and like talks about missing people. I like that kind of stuff. Like, I don't really spend a lot of time watching makeup tutorials anymore. I have been in the same room as Jaclyn Hill, but I've never like ran up and been like, oh my God, you know, like meet her. I've met pretty much everyone else. I've met James Charles, I've met Jeffree Star, I've met Patrick Star, I've met like all of the old, like OG YouTubers. I think I've met most of them. But yeah, I have been in the same vicinities as Jaclyn Hill, but I never, you don't want to be that, like, you don't want to, if you're in the same, if you're doing the same thing as them, you don't want to like fangirl just because you don't want to freak them out and they'll be like, that was the ugliest face I've ever made. But you know what I mean? Like, yeah. I was like given advice before I met like any of the bigger influencers. I haven't done very many vlogs, but I will if you guys want me to. I have not met Les, but I would love to. Hi, Erica. Oh my God, yes. Dream House on Netflix was good, bitch. I watched that shit. I watched that. Have you thought about collabing with Hank and Henry? Yes, I have. I like your videos. I like you. Text Mike. Text Mike? Why? Who's Mike? We love whatever content. Okay. I think I'll work on a YouTube video for you guys because I feel like I need to do something. Make me a selection. Come out with a palette. You guys want a palette? It would be like, I like colorful looks, so I would have like a little bit of neutrals in there, but like honestly, colorful's where my heart is. Bloodfather. I haven't seen that. Vlogging my day. Maybe I'll vlog tomorrow, even though like I'm not gonna be doing anything because of the quarantine. But that would kind of be funny, you know? I'm gonna like pay some like my rent and stuff. Like, you guys want me to do that? Like, I don't know if you guys would even want to see that. Yes, I do like my mirror back there. I do. I just have a lot of shit, you guys. And that's for when I film my YouTubes. Yes, I am still gonna move. Summer and fall palettes. Yes, vlog. Okay, if you guys want me to. I didn't get evicted, Bean, Machine, whatever the hell your name is. The fuck? Yeah, so they're basically selling this house, which was brand new when I moved in. I'm renting. And I got couple weeks before the whole coronavirus thing happened. Well, it was already kind of happening, but like it wasn't as bad. But they called me and they're like, "Hey, it's nothing you did, but they are selling the house, so they want you to move out by the end of the month." And I was like, "End of the month? Like, what do you mean? Like, shouldn't I get a little bit more time? Like, I don't understand." Um, so I was like, "Okay, like, I guess." And so, why don't you try and buy it? I don't know if I want this house. Des, that's because I have a different friend group. That's why not everyone has to hang out with the same people, girl. Period. I'm cool with them. Like, I say hi to them at events and stuff, but like, everyone has their own friend group, whatever you call it. But I do say hi to everyone when I'm like at the events. Like, hey, hug. Yeah, there's a White Claw right here. I'll drink it after this. Your daughter works for YouTube? No, I'm not pregnant. Girl, Debbie, girl, they would never hang out with you either, bitch. So, nice try. That's funny. My left eyelash, I know. If it's like this, it doesn't look weird. It's just like how I put on the eyelash. I don't know what the fuck I did. Feel about it. But this one's like more uppity. No, I haven't tried that whipped coffee thing. It's too much work, bitch. I'll just throw some creamer in that shit. Like, bitch, they would hang out with me before they hung out with your ass. Your musty ass. Period. Sorry, you guys. My manager just texted me. She's drinking alcohol, so she's not pregnant. True, bitch. I gave up sobriety a week and a half. My key 482, bitch. You need to mind your damn motherfucking business and go do your makeup or something. Like, go worry about your own life. Please, 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 please. Have you tried that TikTok foundation with setting powders and... Oh, that makes me want to, like... That makes me